The iPhone 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max come with a brand new design and a more advanced camera setup, along with enough changes to reaffirm their status as Apple's premium phones. But the cost is getting a Pro just went up, even if you are getting more storage as part of the deal. Call it a long overdue makeover, as the iPhone 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max's design are dramatically different from recent iPhones. This is due to the two-toned color design that Apple has gone with, along with ditching the titanium frame for an aluminum one. There are people who will vouch for how titanium is regarded as the more premium material, but the aluminum frame still gives the iPhone 17 Pro models that premium feel. Apple is using ceramic shield for the back casing, which is part of the reason why it looks like it has two slightly different colors. At the same time, there is much more sizable camera cutout that extends side to side and protrudes outward. I have always enjoyed the square cutout of the Pro's cameras, so this one's going to take time getting acquainted with. Apart from their size differences, there is nothing terribly different from the way of the iPhone 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max look. They still have the camera control button, USB-C port, and action buttons from before. At $1,099 for the iPhone 17 Pro and $1,199 for the iPhone 17 Pro Max, Apple has held the line on pricing. Sort of like I mentioned earlier, the iPhone 17 Pro is $100 more, but you get 256GB storage to start, matching the base capacity of the Pro Max. Between the two, I would put my money on the iPhone 17 Pro Max because of its larger display and likely longer battery life, all while being only $100 more to pick up. The Pro looks almost cute by comparison, but it is certainly capable for a phone of its size.